Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this episode, we will be learning how to see Canva purchase history. To check your purchase history on Canva, first of all, open the Canva application on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and once you are inside, tap on the three horizontal menu button at the top left corner. In the expanded menu, tap on your username at the top. Now, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on Purchase History. You will then be able to see all of your purchase history on the page. If you haven't purchased anything yet, you will be able to see a blank page where it says No Results Found. So that's how you check your purchase history or your receipts on Canva. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tutorialify for more tips and tricks from Canva. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.